How to log into your Best Buy credit card account. Welcome back to this new video of 1 2 Step everyone. If you have the Best Buy credit card account that you're trying to log into, in this video let me show you the quick process. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. Search for Best Buy credit card login on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, you can see the first search result, which is from Citibank. The credit card of Best Buy is issued by Citibank, so you can log into your account through the website of Citibank. So click on this first link and it's going to take you to the login section. From here you just need to type in your user ID and the password of your credit card account. If you don't remember the user ID or the password that you created or added in, click on the retrieve user ID or reset your password link, and then you can follow further steps to recover either of these information. And lastly, if you want this device to remember your user ID, you can check this box. Avoid this step if you're not using your personal device. So once you type in both of these information, click on sign on and you will be immediately logged in to your credit card account of Best Buy. If you have not activated your card yet, you can also do that by clicking on register your card. So that is the process of logging in to the credit card account of Best Buy. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys are interested in more videos that we post. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.